আমি করে দিচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে এবার। এনি স্টুডেন্ট ক্যান ডু দিস, এনি আছে আর it is an affirmative sentence. So if there is any and affirmative, then it should be transformed into a proposition. So a proposition starts with all, subject is student, now it will become students, all students. Now there is no copula, so we have to bring the copula in this way. All students are those who can do this. Okay, now a proposition distributes subject, so we will underline the distributed term. The virtuous alone are happy. Now there is alone, that means this is an exclusive proposition. So exclusive proposition can be transformed into three. First of all, a, where we will transpose the subject and predicate. So a starts with all. Now happy will come here. All happy beings, as we are talking about persons, so all happy beings are virtuous. Okay, coming on to number 3. Coming on to number 2, second one, that is, it will be transformed into e proposition, and e proposition starts with no, and we know the rule that we will make the contradictory of the subject, so subject will become no non-virtuous, and there is copula, so I will write the copula and predicate. And the third option is I, which starts with some, and it will remain the same. Happy beings are virtuous. Now a proposition distributes subject, so we'll underline the subject. E proposition distribute both subject and predicate, so I will underline both the subject and predicate. And I proposition distributes none, so I will not underline any of the subject or predicate. Now coming on to the third one. All that glitters is not gold. So any proposition which starts with all and which is negative will be transformed into O proposition. O is a negative proposition and starts with some. Some that glitters. Now it will become R, as we are writing some. Some that glitters are not gold. And O proposition distributes predicate, so I will underline the predicate. Again, it is an exclusive proposition where there is alone. So warm countries alone produce wine. So again we have to transform into 3, A, E and I. So a proposition starts with all, and we will transpose the predicate and the subject. Now it is country, so I will not write being, I will write all that produce wine are warm countries. All that produce wine are warm countries. Okay, now E starts with no, and subject will become contradictory. No non-warm countries. Now there is no copula, we have to bring the copula. No non-warm countries are those which produce wine. Now I proposition will remain the same, just only it will start with some. Some warm countries. Again there is no copula, so we have to bring are those which produce wine. We can write are that also, are one also, in that way also we can write. All good writers are not good speakers. All good writers, this sentence starts with all, but there is not. So all with negative will be transformed into O. Logical form O. So we will write here O starts with some. Some good writers are not good speakers. Now one thing is that as it is a proposition, so the subject will be underlined as it is, as a proposition distributes subject. E proposition distributes both, so I will underline both the subject and the predicate. I proposition distributes none. O proposition distributes predicate, so I will underline the predicate only. Lions never drink coffee. Now where there is never, it will be transformed into E proposition which starts with no. No lions. There is no copula, so we have to bring are those which drink coffee. So no lions are those which drink coffee. E proposition distributes both, so I will underline both the subject and the predicate. Subject lies before the copula, predicate lies after the copula. Now the next one, dishonest persons sometimes succeed in life. Sometimes means some, and it is a positive one, so I will transform into I. Some. For this sometimes I have written some. Some dishonest persons. Some dishonest persons. Again there is no copula, so we have to bring are those who succeed in life. And I proposition distributes none, so I will not underline any of the subject or predicate. Again this is a exclusive proposition, there is only, so it will be transformed into A, E and I. A proposition starts with all, and in case of exclusive proposition we will transpose the subject and the predicate. All who can pass the exam, because we cannot write all can pass the exam, so it will make the grammar mistaken. So I will write all who can pass the exam are intelligent students. In case of E, it will start with no. Subject will become contradictory. No non-intelligent students. There is no copula, so I will bring the copula. Are those who can pass the exam. I proposition start with some, and the subject will remain the same. Some intelligent students. There is no copula, so I have to bring are those who. Some intelligent students are those who can pass the exam. So I am writing from the question only, okay. Now A proposition distributes subject, so this is the subject. E proposition distributes both, so this is the subject and this is the predicate. And I proposition distributes none, so no proposition will be underlined. Next one. Again there is all, but there is not, so it will be transformed into O. Some students are not equally intelligent. Some students are not equally intelligent. O proposition distributes predicate. The learned are honored everywhere. Everywhere means all. So it will be transformed into A, and for this everywhere I am writing all. All learned man, because learned are always man, are honored. Or I can write all learned persons, or I can write all learned beings. Man are hardly above temptation. Now this hardly is a negative term. So if the sentence is affirmative and the term is negative, it will be transformed into a negative one, that is O. Some men are above temptation. So this is an O proposition, so only predicate is distributed. This is A proposition, only subject is distributed. Most of the good citizens are patriots. This is an affirmative proposition, and most of the means not all but some. So it will be transformed into I, because some with affirmative is I proposition. Some good citizens are patriots. Some good citizens are patriots. This is I proposition, so no term is distributed here. Now the next one. No lazy man can prosper in life. It has already started with no, so it will be transformed into E proposition. No lazy man, but there is no copula, so we have to bring no lazy men are those who can prosper in life. Remember that we have to bring the copula if it is not there. Copula means only is, are, am. No, can, have can be the copulas. Now the next one, that is again alone is there, that is exclusive proposition, which will be transformed into 3, A, E and I. Okay, now this is a E proposition, and E proposition distributes both, so we will underline both the subject and the predicate. Now A proposition with exclusive proposition, all subject will come here, all happy. Now happy, who are happy beings? All happy beings are virtuous. E starts with no and the subject will become contradictory. No virtuous are happy. We can write virtuous beings, no problem. And I proposition remains the same, just it will start with some. Some virtuous are happy. So A proposition distributes subject, E distributes both, and I distributes none. Every house is a port in the storm. Every means all, so it will become A. All houses, now as I have written all, so it will become a plural. Houses are port in the storm. So this is A proposition, so subject will be underlined. Again it is an exclusive proposition, that is that there is only. So now for A proposition, all, it will start with all and the predicate will come here. All who eligible for the post are graduates. Okay. Then coming on to the next one, E, no, and the subject will become contradictory. No non-graduates, there is copula, so we don't have to bring the copula. Eligible for the post, and then I will remain the same. Some graduates are eligible for the post. Now A proposition distributes subject, so before the copula there is subject. E proposition distributes both, so before and after the copula there is subject and predicate, we will underline it. And I proposition distributes none. Few persons are above temptation. Few means negative. Negative word, positive sentence will become a negative one. Some persons are above temptation. So this is O proposition and it distributes the predicate. Lions never eat grass. Again never is there, so it will be transformed into E proposition. E proposition starts with no, no lions, and there is no copula, so no lions are those which eat grass. E proposition distributes both, so both the subject and predicate will be underlined for the distribution. Next one, most of the candidates. Most means some, and this is an affirmative one, so it will be transformed into I, and for the most I will write some. Some candidates, there is copula, are present in the exam. So the I proposition distributes none, so I will not underline any of the subject and the predicate. Coming on to the next one, only, again exclusive proposition, so it will be transformed into A, E and I. So a proposition starts with all. Predicate will become the subject. All who can enter the Kirtan Ghar of Barpeta are males. E will start with no. Subject will become contradictory. The subject is male, so no non-male. There is no copula, so we have to bring are those who can enter the Kirtan Ghar of Barpeta. I will remain the same. Some males, again copula, are those who can enter the Kirtan Ghar of Barpeta. You have to write the full sentence. I have just given the dot dot, so but you have to write the full sentence, remember. So a proposition distributes subject. All who can enter the Kirtan Ghar of Barpeta. So the full one is the subject, because after that the R comes. E proposition distributes both, so we will underline both the subject and the predicate. And I proposition distributes none, so I will not underline. Next one, all who praise are not friends. There is all, but there is not also. All not, that means O proposition. Some who praise are not friends. And O proposition distributes predicate, so I will underline just the predicate. Not is not the predicate. This is the copula. This is negative copula. Okay, R is the positive copula. R not is the negative copula. Again, this is an exclusive proposition, that is, there is alone. So it will be transformed into A, E and I. A will start with all. All that. As this is not a person, it is a country, so I will write all that produce wine are winter countries. E proposition starts with no, and the subject will become contradictory. No winter countries. Again, there is no copula, you can see. So I will bring the copula, are those which produce wine. And I proposition starts with some. Some winter countries are those which produce wine. So A proposition distributes subject. E distribute both the subject and the predicate. I distributes none. Again, it is one exclusive proposition. So A, E and I. A starts with all. All who worship Shiva are Hindus. No non-Hindus are those who worship Shiva. Some Hindus are those who worship Shiva. Okay. A proposition distributes subject. E distributes both the subject and the predicate. I distributes none. Every student is basically good, so it will be turned into A proposition. Every and positive one, so every will become all. All students. Now as it has become all, so I will write plural. All students are basically good. And the last one, that is, all good writers are not good orators. There is all and there is not. All not, that means O proposition. Some good writers are not good orators. This is O proposition, so only the predicate will be underlined as it distributes only predicate. A proposition distributes subject, so the subject will only be underlined. Now I think you have understood.